The era of massive render farms and manual frame-by-frame masking is officially dead. For decades, independent creators and small boutique shops faced a brutal bottleneck, waiting weeks for complex scenes to clear local render queues, sinking small fortune budgets into specialized hardware just to keep up. Today, that infrastructure is vanishing. Small studios are gutting traditional pipelines by liquidating expensive physical server racks in favor of unified cloud-based synthesis units. Instead of computing raw pixels through brute force geometry, modern latent space generation delivers hyper-realistic frames almost instantaneously. The hardware shift is complete, paving the way for software breakthroughs that put precise pixel-level manipulation directly into the hands of a solo artist. Speed means nothing without control. In 2026, advanced temporal diffusion techniques have solved the holy grail of generative video, maintaining perfect character, texture, and environmental consistency across long, complex sequences. Gone are the days of tedious manual rotoscoping and frame-by-frame masking. Modern regional prompting and advanced motion brushes allow creators to paint intent directly onto the canvas. By defining motion vectors and anchoring structural features within the latent space, artists can direct synthetic actors with surgical precision, shifting the workflow entirely from mechanical cleanup to high-level choreography. Building worlds no longer requires massive 3D modeling pipelines or heavy game engines. Using depth-aware generative models, studios can now construct complex, 3D consistent sets without traditional polygonal geometry. Need to shift the mood? Real-time text-to-video style transfer lets you alter lighting, weather, and architectural styles on the fly. A sunlit Parisian courtyard transforms into a rain-slicked neon alleyway with a single prompt adjustment. This unprecedented ease of world-building slashes overhead costs and staff requirements, allowing boutique agencies to punch far above their weight class. This technological leap has rewritten the economics of media production. Today, a nimble three-person team can easily match the output and fidelity of a legacy mid-sized visual effects house. The traditional assembly line of pre-visualization, blocking, simulation, and final render has collapsed into a single, fluid, prompt-to-pixel workflow. For clients, the value proposition is undeniable. Hollywood-grade visual fidelity delivered at a fraction of the traditional cost and turnaround time. As the line between production and post-production continues to blur into real-time interactive synthesis, the role of the creator is evolving. Success no longer belongs to the technical button pusher, but to the visionary creative director of AI systems. The tools are here, and the landscape has permanently shifted. Embrace the speed and power of modern generative pipelines or risk obsolescence in an AI-first media world. The future belongs to the lean, the bold, and the fast.